I've been thinking a lot about the ripple effects of small daily habits and how they can add up to make a big difference in our lives, especially when it comes to our weight and overall wellness. So many of us struggle to find a balance that works, and it's easy to feel like we're just spinning our wheels. But what if I told you that something as simple as the gelatin trick could be a game changer? After 30 days of incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you might start to notice some really interesting effects like waking up with more energy or feeling more confident in your own skin. The gelatin trick is all about creating a gentle, sustainable shift in your body's rhythms, and it's amazing how it can start to snowball into bigger changes over time. As you keep at it, you'll start to notice the gelatin trick becoming a natural part of your daily flow, and that's when the real magic happens. Check out the link in my description to learn more about how to get started with the gelatin trick. And be sure to take a look at the pinned comment below for some helpful tips from our community. We'd love to hear about your experience with the gelatin trick.